Everyone, and welcome back to Forex Scope. If you're looking to sharpen your trading edge and stay ahead of the curve in the Forex market, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the Australian dollar to Japanese yen, breaking it down on the 15-minute and 1-minute timeframes to uncover potential trading opportunities and future price direction. Before we get started, if you're new here and you want to get regular Forex analysis, trade signals, and insights into market trends, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Alright, let's jump straight into the charts and see what the Australian dollar to Japanese yen has in store for us today. The resistance zone is identified around the price range of 99.589 to 99.751. This area shows significant price action, including multiple touchbacks and a period of consolidation where price struggled to break through to the upside. Specifically, the candles around November 7, 2025, 1945, timestamp 176-245-7400, with a high of 99.751 and a low of 99.651, and the candle at November 7, 2025, 20 o'clock, timestamp 176-245-9200, with a high of 99.744 and a low of 99.589, indicate strong selling pressure as price approached this level. The price repeatedly tested this upper boundary, demonstrating its significance as a resistance. The considerable volume during these attempts further solidifies this as a key resistance area, suggesting that sellers are active and preventing further upward movement from this price congestion. This zone acted as a ceiling for the price for a considerable duration, reflecting a balance of power favoring sellers in this particular price band. The presence of significant selling wicks on candles approaching this area also reinforces its role as a strong resistance. The support zone is identified around the price range of 99.106 to 99.456. This area exhibits clear signs of accumulation and multiple touchbacks, indicating strong buying interest. Notably, the candles around November 6, 2025, 1445, timestamp 176-244-0300, with a high of 99.682 and a low of 99.421, and the candle at November 6, 2025, 15 o'clock, timestamp 176-244-1200, with a high of 99.425 and a low of 99.166, demonstrate a significant reaction from these lower price levels. The price repeatedly found buyers stepping in at these valuations, preventing further declines. The extended lower wicks on some of these candles suggest aggressive buying activity attempting to push the price higher. The period of price action within this range, before a subsequent upward move, highlights its role as a strong floor. The significant volume traded during these touchbacks further validates this zone as a crucial support level where demand overcame supply. This price congestion at the lower end signifies a turning point where buyers actively defended the level, establishing it as a significant area of interest for potential reversals or consolidations. TIDM November 7, 2025, 2147 Va November 7, 2025, 2148, Jia Dakotao Hu Jiam Suong Va Cham Lai Bung Jia Trong Koang 299.618 Suong 99.598. See you the Veo 21 hours and 47 minutes, GMO Kuala 99.607 Va Dong Kuala 99.598, Boyam UC Thap Natla 99.598. Teep Theodu Veo 21 hours and 48 minutes, GMO Kuala 99.598 Va Dong Kuala 99.628, Boyam UC Chow Natla 99.730. Muk Thap Nat Trong Koang Vi John Naila 99.590. Vung Jia Naiko the Duok Zemla Moti Vung Hotiaro Team Nang Dukosu Jiam Jia Sadu Fukoilai, Jothe Su Fanum Kwa Ti Truong Tiam Uc Jianai. Dunai Jothe Ka Nang Kak Na Jiao Dik Zemzed Vung Nai Nu Emodi Inoida Muaveo Kai Jia Jiam Suong, Taunan Emodi Vung Hotiaro. Sudao Dong Va Fu Koi Jia Trong Vung Nai Nan Man Vi Tiaro Kwa No Nu Emodium Uc Jia Matai Du Apiluk Muako the Bat Dao Hot Dong. At the timestamps November 7, 2025, 1942 and November 7, 2025, 1943, the price encountered significant resistance, failing to break above a crucial level. Specifically, at 19 hours and 42 minutes, the price opened at 99.713 and closed at 99.724, with a high of 99.746. Immediately following this, at 19 hours and 43 minutes, the price opened at 99.724 and closed at 99.706, reaching a high of 99.724 and a low of 99.705. The highest price recorded within this 2-minute window was 99.746, and the lowest was 99.705. This range, from 99.737 to 99.746, demonstrates a price level where selling pressure has historically been strong enough to push the price back down. The fact that the price touched this upper boundary and then retreated suggests that traders are actively placing sell orders around these values, creating a ceiling for upward price movement. The presence of these significant bearish candles and the inability to sustain higher prices indicate a clear area of resistance that has been respected by the market. The audience will be captivated by the unfolding narrative of AUDJPY's price action. We begin at 99.62, a pivotal point where the market is poised for dynamic movement. Our first projection, 99.645, suggests an immediate upward momentum, driven by the recent bullish pressure evident in the 1-minute data. This initial rise will be closely watched as it challenges the established resistance. However, the market is rarely a straight line. A slight pullback to 99.621 is anticipated, a natural correction as traders reassess the situation and potentially test support levels. This dip, however, will be short-lived. The underlying strength we've observed, coupled with the psychological significance of the previously identified support zones, will fuel a renewed ascent to 99.655. This upward push will be characterized by increasing confidence as the price moves away from the lower bounds. The subsequent move to 99.631, a minor retracement, adds the necessary zigzag complexity, mirroring the real-world fluctuations traders experience. It's a moment of consolidation before the next significant move. Finally, we project a strong surge to 99.682, a move that will likely capture the attention of many. This upward thrust is fueled by the confluence of factors: the historical resilience at lower price points, the momentum building from the previous upward swings, and the anticipation of breaking through key resistance levels. This projected zigzag pattern, with its discernible peaks and troughs, will provide a visually engaging and compelling story for your YouTube audience, illustrating the constant interplay of buying and selling forces in the Forex market. The narrative will highlight the strategic dance of price, offering valuable insights into potential trading opportunities and market sentiment.